In this serene, futuristic city, crystal skyscrapers and lush greenery blend seamlessly, where technology and spirituality converge to unlock a new era of enlightenment. Transparent devices project holograms for seamless communication, while autonomous flying vehicles silently glide above. Advanced technology empowers humanity, connecting us beyond physical boundaries. At the heart of it all, a temple dedicated to Vishnu and Shiva stands as a beacon of spiritual guidance. Holographic images of the gods assist in meditation, blending ancient wisdom with cutting-edge innovation. Futuristic hospitals offer non-invasive treatments and virtual reality experiences inspired by these deities, enhancing mental wellness. This harmonious future intertwines mind, body, and technology, guided by Vishnu and Shiva towards inner peace and collective consciousness, leading us to a brighter tomorrow.